Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys cannot see me right now because it is in the dark. You guys asked to see me vlog the fireworks, and there's one right now. So this is going to be like really a vlog of fireworks, so enjoy. You guys can probably not very see me, and hopefully you can hear me too. So enjoy the fireworks, don't mind the talking, so let's get started. And these are really cool fireworks, by the way. Hopefully you guys can see it really good on camera. Trying my best. Whoa, that one was really neat. That was really cool, guys. Sorry for the little break. Oh, here comes one. Oh, those are cool. Sorry guys, that was my uncle taking a photo of me. How embarrassing. So neat. Everyone keeps looking at me, but I don't care. They're so pretty. So pretty. So neat, guys. Happy 4th of July, everyone, even though it'll be the day after when you guys see this. But if you guys can't see, probably you guys can. I'm wearing my 4th of July shirt. Oh, here comes more. You can definitely hear it over here too, which is kind of cool all around. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. I know a lot of you guys asked, so here you go. I'm not gonna vlog the whole ooh, pretty! I'm not gonna vlog the whole thing though, just because it's probably gonna be a long time, so. That's so neat, guys. That one like almost could get us. Not really sure how long this video is because I can't see, but okay. So cool. Can you guys see me now? 3 minutes long. Can you guys see me? Here's my shirt. This is my shirt. So cool. Let's see more. There's more. Whoa, I love like the sparkling. It's so pretty. Oh, there's Austin's voice if you guys can hear him. Whoa, cool. Those are so neat. Neat. This is so fun to do, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Cool. Whoa, my favorite. Like, look at that. It can literally like touch us. No joke. That's neat, guys. They're loud too. I can imagine people like living closely here and hearing this because I bet it's really loud. So, yeah. Hopefully there's more. There should be more. So, oh, look at these guys. Yeah. So, oh, here's another one. Cool. These are so neat. They're better than where like we live. Obviously, we're in like 15 minutes away from where we live here, but you know, kind of so cool. And that's Andrew's voice. So, oh, here's more. Obviously. Oh, cool. I should just stop talking. And you guys probably like, shh.
Oh my god, my name's like Dawn.
So there's more. Sorry about my aunt. Cool. It's neat. Oh, neat. Alright, let's see how long this video is. Let's see, about 5 minutes. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and question of the day is, do you guys like fireworks? Because I really do. I love enjoying them. Although, oh, I'll show you guys the last one for the finale. Whoa! That was so cool. That's like could get us. So yeah, do you guys like fireworks? I do. I don't like spinning ones because I almost got hit with one before. Oh, keeps spelling. So yeah, anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Always remember to follow your dreams. I hope you guys enjoy the fireworks, and happy 4th of July to all you guys. Bye. Here's the finale. Bye.